The Bar-Steward sons of Val Doonican! Flesh!
The Bar-Steward sons are known for their folky covers of classic rock and 80s hits, but their forthcoming album will feature songs about Barnsley, based on tunes we already know. The album pays tribute to Love Him or Loathe Him town character Kipper Jackson.
I get up when I fancy set on Thursday when I get up to collect my gyro. I put my flat cap on, have a pint of smooth and then think about going round town. I feed me whippets, I sometimes feed me ferries too. It makes me feel full to brim with Barnsley pride. I feel champion for the rest of the day, knowing you can take the lad out at town, but you can't take town out at lad.
All the people, so many people, they follow capping on through their Tarnlife.
They've written an entire song about Kipper, who was famously jailed last year following an incident involving a policeman and a queen bun.
Jackson, 61, he once wore free but now it's gone, and Facebook says free the Barnsley one, that one is Kipper Jackson.
Walks Barnsley Street so broad and fair, karaoke machine and an old push chair, now townsfolk cry out in despair, they've locked up Kipper Jackson.
Kipper Jackson's talk of town, PC Porter took him down, with his hands up on right into his ground, shout out free Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson, karaoke king, get a taste of public cruise and sings and think of all the joy he brings. Shout out free Kipper Jackson. PC Porter late one night had to nick some lads who got into a fight, and Kenneth Jackson only had 2 pints because of 25 years on pub watch.
Armed with a bun and a glint in his eye, hey up, what in the policeman cried, but Kenneth Jackson didn't walk on by, he sent the cream bun flying.
Kipper Jackson's talk of town, PC Porter took him down, with a slapped up and right into his ground. Shout out free Kipper Jackson. Kipper Jackson, karaoke king, gets a taste of public rooms and sings and think of all the joy he brings. Shout out free Kipper Jackson.